That golden retriever just did something scientists consider a sign of deep social connection. When you yawned, he yawned right back. That wasn't a coincidence. Contagious yawning in dogs is linked to empathy and emotional closeness, especially with people they trust. He then broke eye contact and licked his nose, another calming signal dogs use to ease social tension. Your yawn triggered a reflex wired into thousands of years of human-dog bonding. He wasn't just copying you. He was mirroring your emotional state. Then he went back to his chew toy, perfectly calm, because for him that shared moment was enough.